Suy nghĩ là con nói tiếng Anh với con.
Wow. Xin chào, good evening.
Xin chào.
Hello,
Hello, teacher.
hello. Oh, hi there, little boy. Good evening. Ouch. Hello, good evening. Hi, what is your name?
Dạ Quốc.
Huh? What is
Dạ
your
Quốc.
name?
Nó con chưa có nghe. Dạ Quốc.
Jungkook. How can I call you? Hehe, is it okay? Hehe. Okay?
Nói đi.
Yeah? Can I call you Hehe? Hehe. Nice to meet you. My name is Teacher Merle. 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 My name is Merle. Yeah. Yes. Hi there. Good evening. How are you?
Thì
I'm
happy.
oh, you're happy? Teacher Merle is happy too. Okay. All right. Here. Don't be shy, okay? Don't be shy to teacher. Okay, we are friends. Okay, what's that? Here, hehe.
Don't be shy to teacher, we are friends. Đừng ngại ngại với giáo viên, chúng ta là bạn mà.
Okay? All right, okay. Hehe, this is our lesson for today. Where is that? 2 to 5. Where is 2 to 5? 2. Where is your lesson? 2. Okay. Wait a minute, okay? 2 to 5. Where is it? 2 to 5. There. Okay, here. Let's learn math. See it? Let's go. Let's learn math.
Nó to lên nhà con mới nghe được.
Let's learn math.
Let's learn math.
Yes. Lam tot lam. Very good. Again. Louder. Let's learn math.
Let's learn math.
Yes, let's learn math. Oh, how old are you?
Happy.
How old? How old are you?
I 18 years old.
You're 18 years old? Ah, 18 years old?
18 years old.
Ah,
18 tuổi.
No, you're 8. Say, I'm 8 years old.
Học Ly nói thật cho cô biết, nói thật cho cô biết.
How old are you? Again. How old are you?
6.
Oh, you're 6. Okay. Say, I am 6 years old.
I am 6
Years old. Years old.
8 years old.
Okay. Again, my dear boy. I am 6 years old.
I am 6 years old.
There, that's better. Okay, this is for you. Hehe. Lam tot lam. Yes. Okay, you're 6 years old. Now look at this one. Let's share this. Where is it? What's this? Say plus, plus, plus. 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 Say it, little boy. Plus.
Plus.
Plus. 2.
Plus.
Yeah. 2 plus 2 equals how many?
4.
Yes. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Again. 2.
2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 4.
Very good. See, you can do it. What about here? Minus, minus, minus.
7 minus 7 minus 2 equals 5.
Ah, you're writing it. Show teacher. Show teacher your board. Show me. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 minus 2 equals 5. Oh, no. Number 2. Oh, yeah, change it, change it. Go, 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 go. Change it.
Dạ
Yeah.
số 7 đỏ lên cho cô thấy.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Show teacher. I want to see. Show teacher. 7 minus 2 equals 5. Okay. Teacher will give you. Very good. You're good in math. Huh.
2.
We have green, red, blue, yellow smiley. What do you like?
Red.
I like
Red. Red.
a complete sentence. I like the red smiley.
I like red smiley.
Okay, because you like the red smiley, what do you have? Oh, you have, what's this?
Plane.
Airplane. It's an airplane. Say it again. It's
It is airplane.
it's an airplane.
It's a plane.
It's an airplane.
It's an airplane.
That's better. Okay, look at this one here. Oh, equals, equals, equals. Equal. Equal. Say it.
5 plus 4 equals 6.
6. 6. Okay, show teacher. Show me your board. 5 plus 1.
1 plus 1 equals 6.
Okay, show me. Where is it? 5 plus 1. Yeah, equals 6. You are great. Mocham Fancham. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. High five. Okay. So now look at this one. Do you have your Zoom pen? Zoom pen. This one. Here. Can you use your Zoom pen? Use your Zoom pen.
Will benefit.
Yeah, like your mouse. You can write on the screen.
No.
Oh, no, no, no. Okay, it's fine. All right, where is it? Okay, here. So, let's make it big. What is this? What is this?
Picture.
Here. What's this?
Không nói với cô đi rồi viết luôn.
Focus. What's this? Plus.
Plus.
Say it again. Plus.
Plus.
Plus. Okay, how many plus can you see? How many?
1. 2.
1. Okay.
2.
2?
3.
3. It's a 3. Okay. What about this one? What is this?
Minus.
Yes, minus. How many minus can you see? One,
One.
two, just
Two.
two, right? Okay, what about this? What's this? What's this?
Equals.
Equals. How many equals can you see? Huh? How many?
4.
4. All right. Good job. Now, look at this one here. This one. I'm going to show you something, okay? Here. Let's read. Do you know how to read? You can read? Hehe.
Con trả lời luôn cho con nghe đi.
2 plus 2 equals 4.
Can you read with me? 2
2
plus
plus 2 equals 4.
Okay, 2 plus 2 equals 4. Ah, yeah. 2 plus 2 equals 4. You like numbers, yeah? Okay, write it down. Okay, write it, right? And show teacher Merle. Okay, show me. Okay, 2 plus 2 equals 4. Say it again.
2
2
plus 2 equals 4.
equals 4. Very good. All right, now look at this. Okay. Can you read? Hello, welcome to math class. Hello, welcome.
Math class.
Okay, what will we learn today?
Today we will learn some math exercise.
Okay, you can read. One more. Today we will learn some math exercises. Again.
Today we will learn some math exercises.
Very good. Okay, continue. What's
What does T mean?
2 plus 2.
2 equals 4.
2 plus 2 equals 4. Good. Okay. Next one. Oh, no, sorry. Okay. Then let's go. Where is it? Here. What's this, Jack?
3 minus 2 equals 1.
Yes, 3 minus 2 equals 1. Okay, good. And read.
3 plus 1 equals 4.
3 plus 1 equals 4. Okay, good job. Now, help Timmy. Okay, can you see this one? Look at this. Okay, so this is number 1, number 2, and number 3. All right. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Where is it?
There.
Number? Which number? Yeah. 3 minus 2 equals 1.
3.
Number 3? 3
Yeah.
minus 2. Okay. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Let's check, okay? Wow. Yes, very good. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Again. 3.
3 minus 2 equals 1.
Okay. What about Cindy? The girl.
One.
One. Two. What is this? One.
2 plus 2 equals 4.
Oh, okay. Let's see if it's 2. Oh, wow. Yes, very good. Huh. You're a math wizard. Give me high five. High five. High five. Okay. Wow. Now, look at this. Here. Let's make a sentence. Look. What can be your sentence?
2 plus 2 equals 4.
2 plus 2 equals 4? Let's check, okay? 2 plus 2 equals 4. Yeah? 2 plus 2. So that is 2 plus 2 equals how many?
4.
4. Good job. Easy?
Easy.
Easy. Easy.
Easy.
Easy peasy. Okay, here. Do you know the answers?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, answer for me.
2
What
plus 2 equals 4.
and
3
3?
minus 2 equals 1.
Wow. Okay. Do you like to play a game?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. All right. Sit down. Sit down. Okay. Math bingo. We will play math bingo. Okay. Yes. All right. Math
Yes.
bingo. Okay. Where is it? Uh-oh. Yes. We have to play. Why? Let's wait, okay? Math bingo. Let's try to open math bingo.
Bingo.
Bingo! Okay, here.
Math bingo!
Yes. Okay.
Play.
Select subjects.
What do you like?
All.
Oh,
All.
wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Select difficulty.
What do you like?
Easy.
Easy?
Oh,
Hard.
Hard.
Ooh. Good.
Hard.
Hard. Okay.
Hard.
Select grid size.
What do you like? 5 by 5? Yeah?
Five.
Yeah, we can do it. Okay. Yes, what is this?
1.
Read.
1.
Now, read.
Well, 1.
Wait. Hehe.
0.
Read. 25 minus 25 equals. Read.
0.
25.
25 minus 25 equals 0.
Okay, yes, that is correct. Good. Next, what's this? 45, what is that? Divide.
45.
Yes. So 45 divided by 15. Oh no. Oh no. You can do it.
3.
Ooh! Really? Oh, so how do you read? 45 divided by 15?
30.
That's right. It's 3. Say it again. Divided by.
4 divided by
Divide.
15 equals 3.
Yay! You got it. Whew. Okay,
1
next one.
times 31 equals 32.
Okay, say it again. 31.
31
Again.
plus 1
Huh?
plus 31 equals 32.
Wow, amazing boy. Yes. Whew. Okay, what's this? Read.
3d9 minus 0 equals 3d9. Right?
Wait. 39
39
minus
minus 0
equal.
equals 39.
Wow. Whoa! Got it again. Whew. Okay. Oh no.
Easy.
Easy. What is 19 times 16? Say it. 19. What is that?
Mm,
10. Use your board. You can use it. Wow. Okay. All right. Wow. Wow. Okay. Mhm. All right. 19 times 16. Okay. You try it. 19 times 16 is very good. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, you're left-handed. Ah. 19.
3, 304. Right
Ah.
here.
Yes,
Right
right.
here.
Yes.
Right here.
Okay, say, wait,
Right
wait.
here.
Say 304.
3 minus 4.
300.
304.
Very good. Okay.
Easy. Easy.
Okay. What's this?
40 minus 0 equals 40.
Yes, it's 42.
Easy.
Easy. Yeah. Oh no. What's this? 19 times 6. Try
Oh my
it.
gosh.
Oh my gosh. OMG. 19 times 6. Try to solve it. Yes. What is
100 for 100. That right there.
yes?
140.
14. 14.
Yeah,
Ah,
correct.
wait. Okay.
Correct.
Wait.
Right here. Right
Yes.
here. Right
Wait,
here.
Say 19
What?
times 6. 19
90
times
times
6
6
equal
equals 140.
good. All right, next. Huh? Oh no,
That's so easy.
that's so easy.
27 minus 5 equals 22. 22 to 22.
22.
No, 22.
Okay. Yay!
Yay!
Ooh, math bingo. Next, what's this?
4,
16.
18 equals 1. 1.
Yeah.
1.
1. What? Oh no! Oh,
1.
oh my gosh! What's that? 200. Do you like help from teacher?
Yes.
289. Divided by 17. Go, go, go.
I think.
Okay, what's the answer? Oh no! Ha! 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 No! 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 Gotcha!
Cô đi. Không biết thì con nói đi, không biết tiếng Anh là gì.
It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Okay. Do you need help? 289.
Yeah.
Yes. Do you need help?
Yes.
Okay. Teacher will help you. I'll answer it for you. Okay. I'll help you.
Ok.
Okay. Here. Oh, you will solve it? I like you. Okay. Go, go, go.
Okay. I don't know.
Okay, no worries. Okay, teacher will help you. 289 divided by 17 is
Don't
17.
know.
It's okay. No worries. No worries. Ah, what's this?
Maybe can I hear?
28.
Hai như ta, hai như.
Easy.
28 divided by 4 is
6, 20. Oh,
yes. What is that?
4, 4,
It's
8, 12, 2, 2, 16, 20, 20.
It's okay. 28 divided by 4 is
No.
oh, teacher. Huh? What's the answer?
8, easy, 8.
8? Are you sure?
Yes.
No, it's not. Oh, 1 plus, here, come on. 1 plus 0.
Again.
This one. 1 plus 0.
1.
1. Okay, next. Let's try. 8 times 3.
Oh my God. 24.
Yes,
Easy.
it's 24. Okay. 20, read. Read.
Eight. Eight.
20,
Eight.
20,
Eight. Eight.
20, 20, 20,
Có.
20
Con đọc nguyên câu này.
minus
20 minus
12.
12 equals 8.
Bingo!
Bingo!
Yay! Good job. Yes, okay. And I think you are also a math wizard. Very good. Yes. This one,
I think you are also a math wizard.
very good. Good job. You're good in math. Now say it again. I'm good in math.
I'm good in math.
I'm good in English.
I'm good in English.
Again, I am
I am like English.
good. Good. I am good in English.
I am good English.
In English. In English. In English. Okay. Right. But I hope to see you again. You're a good
Yeah.
boy. Yes. Give me a fist bump. Good job. Yes. Okay. Come on, Ban. Thank you. Oops. I'll see you again. Okay. And mommy too.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Mom.